of 8th standard. Today I'm going to continue with the exercise of second chapter, that is tick the correct option in the box and then true false and these three question answers. Okay, then first, there are two layers in crust. Which element is found in the both mantle? ये tick the correct answer देख लेते हैं. There are two layers in the crust. The right answer is continental oceanic crust. Which element is found on both the mantle and crust? Silica. Third, which of these minerals are found in the core of Earth? Magnesium, nickel. And the tick mark answer is right, okay? And the inner core is in which state? Solid state. Outer core is made up of iron. Next, layer of Earth on which we live, continental crust. Which seismic waves can travel through the liquid medium? Primary waves. The first answer is continental oceanic crust, second answer is silica, third answer is magnesium nickel, fourth answer is solid state, fifth answer is iron, and sixth answer is continental crust, and seventh answer is primary waves. Next, true false. Tell whether right or wrong, correct the wrong statement. Density of various material is not the same in interior of Earth. True. It is correct answer. Core of Earth is interior is made up of hard rock. False. Hard rock cancel करके iron, sulfur and nickel लिखना है. Okay. Core of Earth's interior is made up of hard rock. Hard rock cancel करना है. Iron, sulfur, nickel लिखना. Secondary waves cannot pass through the outer core. Secondary waves cannot pass through the outer core. True है. Continental crust is made up of silica and magnesium. We have to cancel the magnesium, we have to write the aluminium. This is the false statement. Okay, correction करने के लिए magnesium हटा के aluminium लिखना है. तो first statement is true, B is false, hard rock हटा के iron, sulfur, nickel लिखना है. C is true, D is also false, magnesium हटा के aluminium लिखना है. Is this clear? Next is 3 question answer. What is the two parts of the crust? What is the basis of classification? The answer for that question is, the answer is here. Earth crust is the outermost layer. Earth crust outermost layer. It can be classified into continental crust and oceanic crust. It is classified into continental crust and oceanic crust on the basis of chemical composition. किस base पे? Chemical composition. This is the main answer. Earth crust is outermost layer. Earth crust outermost layer. It can be classified into continental crust and oceanic crust. ये continental crust और oceanic crust में divide है on the basis of chemical composition. Chemical composition की वजह से. Continental crust is made up of silica and aluminium. Continental crust silica aluminium से बना है. Oceanic crust is made up of silica magnesium. Is this clear? तो earth crust is outermost layer. Earth crust outermost layer. It can be classified into continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust और oceanic crust में divide है on the basis of chemical composition. Chemical composition के base पे continental crust is made up of silica aluminium. Oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. Is this clear? This is the answer of first question. Next is, why is the upper mantle called the asthenosphere? Upper mantle को asthenosphere क्यों बोलते हैं? The mantle is the layer beneath the earth crust. It consists of two layer, upper and lower mantle. Mantle जो है earth crust के नीचे होता है. इसमें दो layer होते हैं, upper layer, upper mantle and lower mantle. Upper mantle is called asthenosphere. Upper mantle को asthenosphere बोलते हैं. क्यों? Is called astheno is a Greek word meaning weak. It is called weak layer. इसको weak layer बोलते हैं because it is liquid state. कौन से state में होता है? Liquid state. Is this clear? The mantle is the layer beneath the earth crust. Mantle जो होता है layer है earth crust के नीचे का. It consists of two layer. दो layer होते हैं, upper layer है lower, upper mantle and lower mantle. Upper mantle is called asthenosphere. Upper mantle को asthenosphere बोलते हैं. Astheno is a Greek word meaning weak. Astheno मतलब weak होता है. It is called weak layer because इसको weak layer इसके लिए बोलते हैं because it is liquid state. कौन से state में? Liquid state में. तो your answer will be from the mantle till lower mantle first point. Upper mantle से weak second point, and it is से लेके liquid state third point. The mantle से lower mantle first point. Upper से weak second point, it is से लेके liquid state third point. This will be the answer of second question. Next is magnetosphere of the earth is result of rotation. Magnetosphere is of the earth is result of rotation. Rotation की वजह से magnetosphere आता है. How? See. The answer for that question, magnetosphere is the region of space surrounding earth where the dominant magnetic field is the magnetic field of earth. Magnetosphere is the region of space surrounding the Earth, whether the dominant magnetic field is the magnetic field of Earth. First point. Generation, yeah, second point. Generation of magnetic field due to rotating current. Generation of magnetic field due to rotating current. For the question is, magnetosphere is the region of space surrounding Earth. मैग्नेटिक एक ऐसा रीजन है जिसमें अर्थ को सराउंड किया हुआ है. वेयर द डोमिनेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज़ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ अर्थ. डोमिनेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या है? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ अर्थ है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट यहाँ से मैग्नेटोस्फीयर थे अर्थ तक. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. जनरेशन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू रोटेटिंग करंट. जो जनरेशन है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का किसकी वजह से? रोटेटिंग करंट की वजह से. राइट. दिस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज़ अ रिजल्ट ऑफ स्पायरल एडिज. ये इलेक्ट्रिक करंट किसका रिजल्ट है? स्पायरल एडिज जनरेटेड ड्यू टू अर्थ रोटेशन. ये अर्थ रोटेशन की वजह से. दिस विल बी द आंसर ऑफ थर्ड क्वेश्चन. वापस बोल रहा हूँ, मैग्नेटोस्फीयर इज द रीजन ऑफ स्पेस सराउंडिंग द अर्थ. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. वेयर द डोमिनेटिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ अर्थ. जो डोमिनेटिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या है? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है अर्थ का. जनरेशन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू रोटेटिंग करंट. जनरेशन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड किसकी वजह से? रोटेटिंग करंट की वजह से. दिस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज अ रिजल्ट. हाँ, यहाँ तक ही आंसर है. और उसके बाद दिस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ स्पायरल इट इज जनरेटेड ड्यू टू द अर्थ रोटेशन. इज दिस क्लियर? योर आंसर विल बी फ्रॉम मैग्नेटोस्फीयर से लेके मैग्नेटिक फील्ड तक. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. जनरेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, जनरेट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड से लेके रोटेटिंग करंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट. दिस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट से लेके अर्थ रोटेशन. थर्ड पॉइंट. द मैग्नेटोस्फीयर से लेके मैग्नेटिक फील्ड तक. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. जनरेशन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से रोटेटिंग करंट का. सेकेंड पॉइंट. दिस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट से लेके अर्थ रोटेशन. थर्ड पॉइंट. दिस विल बी द आंसर ऑफ थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Then as a homework for today, you have to write the answer of question number 1, all objectives, and question number 2 also write wrong, and question number 3, all 3 question as a homework for you. Then for today's homework, question number 1, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. If any doubt is there, please ask. Thank you. Have a great day.